video, and today I'm working on something. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I've always been worried about my lighting. My lights go out a lot and they're kind of expensive, so I'm trying to think of a cheaper way to come up with a lighting source, and I came up with this. And these are your lights, you know, or your outdoor light bulbs or indoor, you know, full spectrum light bulbs. And basically I'm just coming up with a way to see if they work, see if it's a cheaper situation, see if they last long. It says, you know, they last a good while. So this video is just basically on alternative lighting. You know, may not look the best, but it's, you know, might be cheaper than what you have. And if your lights go out, you may have it just laying around the house. Light bulbs really aren't that expensive. The big one I think was like, you know, this one was like 30 bucks. So we're trying them out. I don't know how long the video is going to be, but I'm going to do my best, not trying to make it too long. But yeah, alternative lighting, full spectrum lighting. They're plant lights. See if you could see it. LED, you know, full spectrum growth lights. And there's all different kinds. There's kind for seeding. There's kind for full growth, you know, regrowth, whatever. But let's get the video started and see what we can do. Bye. Okay, so this is what the light looks like. And it's kind of cheesy, but it's just basically a cheap drop light that I painted gray and a piece of wood. Let me turn the light on. And yeah, it's just attached like that. But it gives like a natural light, and I'm not sure if that is correct, or, you know, it's more of like a natural light. I don't know if it's going to cause like a huge algae growth, but that's it. And this is just an old light I had hanging around, and I just had bought the light bulb and I had the piece of wood, so it's basically attached like that. And that's the difference. That's an LED light at the bottom, so you got that white light, and then that's that. So I kind of like it. And then I have over here on my shrimp tank, I have the same thing, but since it's smaller, it's just that, and it's just attached, you know, to the back. That's what that looks like. And that, I mean, that, I'm going to see if it works. Got to clean the tank up a little bit. But yeah, so though that thing was about 10 bucks at Home Depot, the light bulb was maybe, you know, $10. And then the big light bulb was like 30 bucks. So tell me what you think. I'm not sure. That's just rigged up. I'm gonna paint it and see what it kind of looks like. But tell me what you think about that light color. Yeah, so that's the finished product. Just painted it black. Came out okay. Like I said, you can see the difference in LED, and then that light. Just a piece of wood, a little drop light, and a, you know, grow bulb. And if you have any questions, you can just go ahead and make a comment in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer it. You can take a look back at the other one. Oh, that one's too bright, but I'll try and figure something out.